Welcome to Optima, where innovation meets precision. Join industry leaders and researchers in tackling complex optimization challenges that drive real impact. Today, the OP-RedBack team will showcase Optima's transformative features. Let's dive in. Optima powers innovation across key sectors, optimizing manufacturing processes, enhancing energy distribution, strengthening financial risk management, and revolutionizing agricultural supply chains. From medical technologies to defense, our solutions drive efficiency wherever optimization matters. Optima's success is supported by industry leaders. We're proud to partner with renowned organizations like AGL and MECA, as well as government bodies such as the Australian Bureau of Statistics, who trust our platform to drive their optimization initiatives forward. Our platform serves world-leading researchers and professionals from prestigious institutions in Australia, like the University of Melbourne. These brilliant minds rely on Optima to push the boundaries of optimization research and application. Let's see how researchers currently access optimization data. On Matilda's website, locating and downloading the instances file is just the beginning. After downloading, researchers face a tedious process, clicking and extracting zip files, one after another. This repetitive unzipping process not only wastes valuable research time, but also raises a significant issue. When a collaborative team works with the data, there's no guarantee that everyone is using the same structure and version. Optima simplifies your workflow for immediate data access, offering exceptional flexibility with its dual interface system as a Python library. Researchers and PhD students can integrate the Python library into their workflows, while industry partners can quickly access all features through our intuitive command line interface. Optima's comprehensive command suite puts powerful tools at your fingertips. From instant problem viewing to effortless problem creation, from streamlined uploads to efficient downloads, our platform gives you complete control over your optimization data management. Now, let's see how easy it is to create a new problem in Optima using the command line interface. First, enter the command, op-create. Next, simply enter your MediaFlux username and domain to access the system. Let's proceed by naming the problem. We'll call it the traveling salesman problem. Optima suggests a convenient abbreviation, which you can accept or customize. Now, specify the file format for the instances. We'll use TSP. Choose the problem type from the available options, in this case, optimization. After authentication, your new problem is successfully set up in Optima, ready for instance uploads and further analysis. Let's move on to uploading instances to Optima with our streamline-CLI command. To begin, simply enter the command. This command specifies the username, problem abbreviation, and file path for the instances you want to upload. Optima offers flexible category options. You can keep the current category, rename it, or choose to upload without a category. We'll choose to keep the category as CLKIZ. Optima confirms the selection, ensuring all files are correctly categorized. Next, the system connects to MediaFlux to securely upload the instances. With this seamless command, your data is uploaded in parallel, efficiently organized, and ready for immediate access on the Optima platform. In addition, Optima seamlessly integrates into your research environment through Jupyter Lab. Simply import our library, and you'll have access to the full power of Optima through intuitive Python functions. This integration allows you to analyze and visualize your results directly in your notebooks, making your optimization research more efficient than ever. As we look to the future, Optima is set to elevate your experience even further. Get ready for exciting new features, including the introduction of download options and support for diverse upload types like optimization algorithms. With enhanced metadata management and HPC integration, you'll be able to reproduce experiments seamlessly. Public access for downloads will foster greater collaboration, while citation tracking and advanced data visualization capabilities will equip you to showcase your work like never before. Behind OPTIMA-CLI is the passionate OP-RedBack team at the University of Melbourne, where innovation meets optimization. We're excited to hear your thoughts and ideas. Join us in shaping the next generation of optimization tools. Your feedback fuels our journey forward.